Pandas are black and white bears native to China, known for their adorable appearance and bamboo diet. These gentle giants live in the mountains of central China, preferring a habitat filled with bamboo forests and cool, wet climate. Their distinctive black and white fur isn't just for looks. It helps them blend into the shadows of the bamboo forest, providing camouflage from predators like leopards and snow leopards. Pandas have a unique digestive system to deal with their bamboo diet. They have a specialized stomach that can ferment and digest cellulose, a complex carbohydrate found in plants, which most animals can't. Despite their love for bamboo, pandas don't eat it continuously. They have a peculiar eating pattern, spending about 12 to 14 hours a day munching on bamboo shoots, leaves, and stems. Pandas have a very low reproductive rate. Females can only reproduce once every 2 to 3 years, and they give birth to only 1 or 2 cubs at a time. This, combined with habitat loss and poaching, has made pandas an endangered species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures. Many sanctuaries have been established to provide a safe habitat for pandas and breeding programs to increase their population. Pandas are not just iconic symbols of China. They are ambassadors for biodiversity and the importance of preserving our planet's unique ecosystems. So, the next time you see a panda munching on bamboo, remember, you're witnessing a unique adaptation story thousands of years in the making.